The fourth cycle of Begawan's Mansur heritage rice is complete. Ready for harvest, the lush grains are gathered one field at a time using traditional ani-ani knives and sickles, a practice passed down through generations. Some sheaves are stored as seeds in the lumbung, a traditional rice silo, while the rest are processed. Using harvested grain as seeds for the next planting eliminates dependency on commercial seeds, fostering agricultural sustainability and reducing production costs. During this past year, Begawan has invested in various modern equipment to support the project. Equipment such as rice thresher, drying and sorting machines, and a milling and storage unit in Melinggi Kelot Village, Payangan, to enhance efficiency and product quality prior to monthly delivery to our supporters. Since its inception in January 2022, the project has expanded from one farmer, Pak Leo, covering 0.42 hour to 9 farmers in the upcoming 5th Mansur rice cycle in March 2024, on land totaling almost 2.5 hectares. With shared values and market support from our supporters in Bali, we are dedicated to scaling up the initiative, eliminating the use of chemical inputs and synthetic fertilizers, restoring the soil, environment, and surrounding biodiversity, reducing water and methane emissions from rice cultivation, and most importantly, increasing revenues for our farmers. As a grassroots organization, Begawan prioritizes collaboration, ensuring a market for produce and security for farmers. It's quality over quantity. Our mission extends beyond rice supply. It's a commitment to restoring Bali's heritage rice through regenerative farming practices.